Welcome to this tutorial on creating and tagging basic forms in the Prep Tag Editor. Let's get started. First, open your PDF form file in the Prep Tag Editor. Use the bbox sensitivity option to draw bounding boxes around form elements quickly and accurately. Then, utilize multiple selection to select all relevant elements at once and apply appropriate tags. For form fields, set the tag type to form control and select the correct form tag based on the element type. Next, add a field name, a tooltip, and any optional properties as needed for all form elements. Ensure each field name is unique across the form to avoid confusion or errors. Organize and group the form elements in the correct logical order in the tag tree to preserve structure and ensure smooth navigation. Finally, click Save and export your remediated, accessible PDF form. That's it. You've successfully created and tagged a form using the Prep Tag Editor. Thank you.